Yo, hello guys. In today's video, I'll show you how to clean up your C drive in your Windows 10 or 11 and free up tons of space. Let's begin. First, click on the Start menu over here and search for Disk Cleanup, alright? So Disk Cleanup, left click. It might take a few seconds. What you need to do is just simply click on every single box in here. Make sure to put a check mark on them. Right? Scroll down and then click on Clean Up System Files. Then click OK. It will provide you with how much space it will free up on your drive, so take note of that. So just go to the process, click OK, confirm. So the next step is we need to locate our storage, right? So click on the Windows Start menu, type for storage, left click, and this might take a while, but what we need to do is just to configure storage sense. All right, make sure this is definitely turned on, all right, because it will actually remove any temporary files that is not critical or important in running your computer. Okay, so make sure to tick this. You can also do this part if you wish, but this is more than enough, okay? You also have the option to click on the drop down box over here to see how you want your files to be deleted, okay? Now the next step is to uninstall programs that you no longer utilize, all right? So click on the start menu. We can easily go to the control panel or the apps and applications or apps or features, all right? We can see in here various applications or softwares we have utilized or installed on your computer. Now, the majority of those files or takes up a lot of space on your drive are going to be games. Okay, so take a look. If you no longer play any of those games, we can simply remove them because, of course, we can simply uninstall them back if needed. Okay, so go ahead, uninstall, and just make sure to scroll down and see more options. Okay. So for example, this, and any other games you have or applications you feel that are currently not needed in your PC. And you can now close everything. And that's it. We have now made sure by following all of these steps, we have cleaned up your C drive and made sure that your Windows PC runs smoother. I hope you found this video very helpful.